Angel of Nikoleta design. In today's episode, I'm going to try and read out loud of my past articles. This is just a test to see how difficult podcasting it is. And just an experiment. Let's dive in. What do self-help books and user experience have in common? You have at least once in your life picked up a self-help book of some sort if you're reading this post, or at least I hope so. Hi, I'm Nikoleta and I'm a web developer and UX UI designer that is curious about countless things. One of them is self-improvement and anything related to creating or creativity. I'm not a writer, but I have always practiced some writing in micro or regular journaling. Maybe you can expect a book from me soon, who knows. At the moment, I'm halfway through a self-help book that is very popular among readers who are trying to improve their lives and more specifically their daily habits. Yes, you guessed it right. The book is Atomic Habits by James Clear and I highly recommend it. And no, this is not an ad or paid promotion, relax. If you're a slow reader like me or you don't have the time to read, make sure to check the exercises related to the book and the short explanations at least. Psst. Another very productive way is to listen to it while you're doing something else like walking or commuting. The book Atomic Habits is great read, practical, concise, and easy to go through. Highly recommended. Alongside this book, I'm also reading The Design of Everyday Things Revisited by Don Norman, and I find it fascinating how interesting and similar those books are. Both of them are getting back and forward on basic principles of psychology and how people function. Dun dun dun. The authors are good at giving simple and descriptive examples of certain situations to prove a point, and I find it quite helpful. Also, both of the books have quite a lot of visual learning materials and that helps you understand the concepts a bit easier. If you know anything about user experience, I bet you have heard about root cause analysis, right? If not, I think this post sums it up well. The main goal in the analysis and building good habits, also breaking the bad ones, is to ask the question why, multiple times, until you reach the source, root of the problem. Can't wait to finish the rest of the book and see if there are more similarities. If there are, I will make sure to edit this post. Thank you for listening so far, and I do appreciate it, and I hope this text was a tiny bit interesting, helpful, or at least amusing. Also, feel free to share in the comments what are you currently reading. Thank you for reading, or listening in this case. Consider giving me a follow or subscribing for some more interesting articles. Your comments and feedback keep me motivated to write and talk more and improve. Have a great week. P.S. If you want to be part of my curious journey, you can find me on Instagram and LinkedIn. Bye!